Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on Safe Boot with networking in your Windows. Okay, so let's start the process. First is you need to locate your cursor here in the Windows icon, then do a right click, then scroll up, then click on Task Manager. Once done, let me expand this first. Okay, here in the task manager, you need to scroll up and then click on run new task and then type MSCONFIG in this new window and then mark this one and then click on OK. Once you're done, this new window will open called System Configuration. It has this five options and we are going to boot. Here you need to scroll down. You need to go to Safe Boot and then go to Network and then click on Apply and OK. After that, you need to restart your computer and and if you want to run an application or do scanning or whatever reasons why you think you need to turn on the Safe Boot with networking, then you can do that. Okay? But after doing all of those reasons, you need to be here in this Windows again. You need to be in this Task Manager again and then click on this Run New Task again and then search for msconfig. Okay. And then go to this boot and just make sure that Day Safe Boot is unmarked. And then click on OK and now you're good to go. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.